Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So have you seen the sutra name? Don't be scared, it will be so easy and it's so tricky also. So before going into the today's tricky and interesting Vedic sutra, so if you are watching my channel or my videos for the first time, please do like, share, subscribe my channel so that you can learn more and more concepts of Vedic maths with the sutras names, right? So that is the motto of my channel, to give knowledge as well as the sutra name of Vedic concepts. So here you can read along, you can try to read along with me the Vedic concept. It is Nikhilam Navatas Charamam Dashatah. So if you just read the title at least once or twice, it will be easy for you. Don't be scared. Okay, so here what can we elicit or what we can understand from this title? This title itself gives, the title narrates a lot of things here. So it is Nikhilam Navatas Charamam. So in Sanskrit, Charamam means end, Dashata. Charamam means end and Dashata means 10. So this is the concept of ending tens. Okay, so here this sutra we can write in English: all from 9 and last from 10. Okay, so this topic completely belongs and based on subtractions when there is a zero, so many zeros after a digit. Let me take an example. So here in the normal method, 1000 minus 99. Okay, if this kind of sums if we see, we may get may feel easy, but even though somewhere we'll do little mistake. How? Let us see. So 1000 minus subtract 99, right? So here we can't subtract 9 from 0. So what we have to do? We have to borrow. So we can't even borrow from the next digit because it is also 0, right? So even the next digit also 0. So until a digit is having a value, we need to take steps back to borrow. So here from the 1 we are borrowing as 10. So what we are doing here, this 0 will become 10 when we borrowed, right? So here from this 10 again we are borrowing to the next number, so it will become 9. So now this 0 will become 10. From this 10 again we are borrowing to the next place, so it will become 9, and now its turn comes and it becomes 10. Okay, let us do 10 minus 9, it is 1. 9 minus 9, it is 0. So 9 minus nothing, it's 9. And here 1 is there, but that 1 already we have borrowed, it will become 0. And the answer is 901. Yes, in the normal method. So here let me take one more example. I have taken 10,000 and I will do this 99. I will subtract 99 from 10,000. Let's see. So no need of writing 0 and the answer is 9901. Did I do any borrowing or any corrections or any crossings, again any interchangings? Did I do all those? No. So simply the answer is done. That's how I'll explain. you can see the title, all from 9 and last from 10. So here if you are taking 1000 minus 9, let us take 1000 minus 9. So here what is the sutra? All from 9 but only the last from 10. So here we are subtracting only one single digit. So how we can do that? See, so last from 10, right? So 10 minus 9, you will be getting 1, and other all zeros will become 9. So write down 9, and already we have borrowed from this one, so it doesn't have any value. It's already borrowed. So the answer is 999. Let us take a few more digits. 10,000 minus 3,782. Okay, let us see. So first the last one is 10, it will become 10. So here 10 minus 2, it will become 8, right? And that next remaining all zeros will become 9s. How many zeros are there here? Make it 9. So from 9 minus 8, 9 minus 8, 1. So 9 minus 7, 2. And here one more 0, 9 minus 3, that is 6. So here always keep one thing in your mind, when we are making last digit as 10 means this we have to reduce. The left side, the right side digit, when we are increasing the value means automatically the left side digit value will be decreased. So this way we have to do. No need of writing every time like this. Let us take one more example. So what is the number here I have taken? So it is 1 lakh. Okay, don't be scared by seeing this much lengthy number. Let me 2780. Okay, so 12,780. Here as per the rule, what is that? All from 9 but the last from 10. Here if you consider the last digit as 10 and if you subtract 10 minus 0, what will be the answer? It will be 0, right? So with this rule particularly applies when we need to borrow. Here no need of borrowing anything, right? So we can 0 minus 0, it will be 0. No need of writing anything. So now move to the next digit, 8. Can we subtract 8 from 0? We can't. So here the borrowing system starts. So now from this step onwards we can apply this sutra. So 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 2, 9 minus 2 it is 7, and here 9 minus 1 it's 8, and the answer is 87,220. So now let me take one more example. 5,000 it's a 5 lakh 24,799. So same thing we will have to apply. So 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 9 it's 0, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 2 7, and here I told when we are increasing the value to the right side digit means its value it's going to be subtracted or it's going to be decreased, right? So here how much we have taken? We have taken 1, so that 1 has to be subtracted. This 5 will become 4, and the answer is like this. So in this way, any sort of subtraction we can do so easily. The thing is, when the right side digit value is increased, means automatically reduce the left side value, the left side digits value, so that you will get correct answers. With this, I will be back with so many interesting Vedic maths concepts. So please encourage and please support by subscribing, sharing, liking my channel and my video. Thank you for watching.